Hello guys, today we are going to make an air assist application for the TTS-55 laser. We start from the design as usual. The opposite edges of the part are 40 mm long. Distance between M3 bolt through hose 32 mm. The height of the P is 10 mm. We will connect the part to the laser head through these holes. The air intake will be from the side like this, according to the other diameter 6 mm hose. When we look at the bottom of the part, the laser light will pass through this hole. The air will come out through this hole. Of course, there is an important point here. Our aluminum piece with laser focus is 23 mm. We return to the part and take a cross section. The cut piece will be in this plane. The air will follow this channel. The length of the part we designed is 10 mm. For this reason, we adjust the angle of the air duct to the center of the laser head. We got the part as a printout from the 3D printer, just what we wanted. Now let's move on to the laser engraving. We unscrew the two bolts holding the head on the edges and take the laser head. We remove the protection from the laser head. We move the set screws on the four corners of the laser head deeper. Then we assemble the part with M3 screws. As you remember, the part we adjust the laser focus was 23 mm. Since the part we installed is 10 mm, we print a 13 mm part to adjust the focus again from the 3D printer. At this stage I used a 1 horsepower 9-liter compressor that I had at hand. You can use any compressor you have at hand. I set the compressor to 30 psi pressure here. Then I mount the laser head and attach the air inlet, and we are ready to cut. The result is amazing. The burns that occur when the air support is off are not visible this time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.